Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, April the 9th, 2021. Yes, almost weekend. Tomorrow is Saturday weekend, but today we have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. Regular Sudokus, yes, these two are regular Sudokus. But we have in this newspaper also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. So a lot of Sudokus to go. And this Sudoku will be a number 2605. All right. Sudoku Light. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square has 4 printed digits. So 9 big squares, 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan the picture or the Sudoku, which number can I pick? How about the number 2? 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. All right. How about the number? The number 6. Yes, 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the column next? So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. All right. Then, how about the number 8. Yes, 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. Alright. How about the number? Yeah. Let me see. Okay. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column and 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 9, digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Digit number 5, number 9. Alright. Alright. Then. How about the 7 in this third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. And then 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. Here 7 in the third row, so no 7 in this box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s. Oh, we're missing here a 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7, yes. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, this is a double check. Number 6, digit number 6, number 7. All right. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. And then 1 number left in the first column for the number 1. 1 number left in the last column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 4 is missing, alright. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku Light. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. With the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku heavy. Yes, see you then. Bye bye for now.